Hey, how's everyone doing today? Welcome to today's trading recap. So this is a new series that I'm gonna be making on JoshLiveTrading. This is called the Trading Grind: The Road to Become a Profitable Trader, and this is our first episode. We're gonna come out. We're gonna keep on going every day. See how much we can get. I might go off for a little while just to back test, but I'll make sure that I post my back testing. Start recording my back testing. I'm posting for you guys. So now this is more of an educational video. It's just more to help those that are still learning how to trade to be able to know. So today on March 25th, we took a trade on the pound dollar. We took a trade on pound dollar. That's the only trade we took today. Unfortunately, it didn't really have much to do. Once I saw this entry, I was already too late. Consider I didn't get up too early. I'm gonna show you guys on the daily time frame. It's not done. I'll show you guys the daily time frame to show you guys the daily bias. Alright, boom. So this should be no. Wait, let's see how we get to one day. I mean, I know for it doesn't want to take us to daily. Don't know why. Yeah, it should take us to daily. Let me see if I can get the daily for you guys. Alright, so we're here on the 1 day time frame. So we look for a bias. First thing we can see right here, we can see this liquidity right here. See price made a reversal, went bullish, bearish, excuse me. Went bearish for a Thursday and Friday. Then we made a quick reversal back to the uptrend. So I'll use this as a retracement. That's what I was saying. It's not clear because higher time frames hold higher power, but it's like not clear for someone that's like fairly into this. So we're gonna go to the 4 hour. I'm gonna show you guys. The bias that we saw. So we're how we saw this strong liquidity from Thursday all the way down here. Came back to pushing up, came back again. This is like a breaker block situation where price wasn't able to get enough buy orders to keep us pushing up. So this is a breaker block, this is order block. Price got enough orders to be able to push us down. Came back again. We're choppy in this. Then this was the move that I saw that made me go bearish today. Well, essentially, it was because of the fact that we were very long in the London session. This is the London session, the one in pink, the one in blue is the Asian session, one in green is New York, and the brown one is my entry point. Like the time I can. That's based on my trading plan. I enter off 9:30 till 12. Anything after 12, max 12:30. Anything after 12 I'm not entering for the day. So usually this is how my session looks like. The green candle burst it up. So now what do we have? We have the same balance right here. The same balance gives us the movement for us to go bearish. I don't know if you guys can see this candle price actually came back and closed the imbalance here. Right here, price came to close the imbalance a little bit more. So we eventually did close the imbalance as of today. But that's not the point for now. I'm gonna go to the 30-minute to show you guys what I'm talking about. So now we enter 9:30. I went to the 15-minute. So this is what I saw on the 15-minute. 15 minute, we saw that price was bullish. We were all greens today. Came back again, made this long session lows. After this long session lows, we came back again, kept going until we made this New York session highs. So this New York session highs is what I'm looking at right now. That's my thinking point for the day, right? I wait, I see price again, moves up and still hits. I don't think you guys can see it, but like this candle hits New York session highs again. So in my mind, I'm just like, okay, then we're definitely gonna go bearish for a while. How did I know that? Because on the 5 minute, I saw price was retracing to certain zones back again. Like I know price came back to the London session again around here. Made London session here, then came back, made London session again. Still made London session late in the day. So London session low was high. That price point, price range, I would say has a lot of potential for orders for the day, right? So what do I notice? You see price come up again. This touching New York session highs, right? You see this strong liquidity. I get my order block and breaker block. The first thing I actually did was get an order block and breaker block for here going up. Why did I do that? You've seen the more when how the strategy plays out. You also see here that this breaker block right here, mark it out. Price does push up, but doesn't close above either of them. So when it does close above the order block, but we're looking for both of them. You guys want to see if you wanted me to go more bullish, right? You just fairly close above the order block, then you step continues, you can pushing down. Then after that, we have this reversal. Draw out another order block and breaker block for my potential door. So when I got that, I saw here we had this breaker block, this bearish candle right here. We also had this order block here, this bullish candle right here. Mark it out. I saw price immediately bust through here. Is this one, the 5 minute, or either the 5 minute, 3 minute. I saw price immediately. Yeah, it was a 3 minute. So price immediately went through both of them. Immediately they went through both of them. I was like, we have to go short now because you guys can see the wick. I was watching it live, so price didn't get all the way here. So I waited for price close around here. So this is when I entered. It was a fair, I don't say easy, but it was fairly easy. Getting this, I also did my equilibrium for my take profits. First thing I did was I remember the previous order block and breaker block we had. Those were my take profits. If you guys can now see how I put this into play, right? I used the former order block because it was very large and it was on the 15 minute. Correct. I don't know if I got that one right. Should be wait. We skip it. Yeah. It was a 15 minute. So we used a 15 minute as our take profit. Let me go back to 1 minute. 1 minute is where I took my trade on, so it's like more easier. So we did find this price eventually came back up here. Once it got back here, I took my take profit one here, take profit two here. And to get this, found the equilibrium of both of them. So basically got my two again box and the middle. So it was fairly around here. I didn't draw well. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's basically what I did. It was like the 50% mark of where I thought price to draw. And it ended up being the daily high for the previous day. Like it was the daily high for the previous day. You guys can see it from Monday. You guys can see it was one of the daily highs. So that's how I marked it out and confirmed it. So I mean, this was a fairly easy trade in my opinion. Like I just got in, got out, got my almost 4% risk reward. If I had my funding today, that would have definitely passed my funding if I had 2% account risk. So those are the two things I like to pay attention to: risk management, risk reward, and psychology. Because people always say psychology don't really matter, but it keeps you for the long run, and that's what I would say. Yeah, that's all for my trading recap today. I'll see you guys on the next one.